Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shivtosh Kumar, co-founder of besugarfit. Today let's talk about the most dangerous beverage for diabetes, aerated beverages. We all know that it's not the healthiest choice, right? But let's explore the deeper impact it can have on your health, especially if you have diabetes. Gut problem. The combination of sugar and artificial sweetness in soda can disrupt the balance of healthy bacteria in your gut, leading to digestive issues and inflammation. Weakened bone. Regularly consuming aerated beverages can weaken your bones, increasing the risk of fractures. Dental cavities. The acidity in the soda can erode tooth enamel, making you prone to cavities. Number 4, very important, uncontrolled weight gain. Soda can interfere with your body's natural hunger cues, making it harder to feel full, leading to overeating and weight gain, which can further complicate diabetes management. Stroke risk. Studies have suggested that a link is there between frequent soda consumption and an increased risk of stroke, which is a serious concern for individuals with diabetes. But you don't have to worry. The good news is there are simple ways to enjoy healthy hydration. For example, instead of soda, explore options like fruit-infused water, herbal teas, or even homemade lemonade for a refreshing taste. You can even create your own flavored water by adding fresh fruit slices or cucumber for a healthy and hydrating treat. By making these small changes, you are taking a significant step towards a healthier future and towards your diabetes reversal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more diabetes management tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you the next time.